Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Webflow versus Framer versus Figma. We'll explore their core functionalities, ideal use cases, and help you determine which platform best suits your design and development needs. Webflow excels in no-code web development, Framer offers powerful interactive prototyping, and Figma leads in collaborative UI/UX design. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of each tool's strengths and weaknesses, enabling you to make an informed decision for your next project. Webflow stands out as a robust no-code platform, empowering designers to build and launch fully responsive websites without writing a single line of code. Its powerful content management system allows for dynamic content, making it perfect for blogs and e-commerce. You gain extensive design control, from custom animations to intricate layouts, giving you the flexibility to create unique web experiences quickly and efficiently. It's ideal for those prioritizing speed and direct site deployment. Framer bridges the gap between design and development, offering advanced interactive components and the ability to export production-ready code. It's perfect for crafting high-fidelity prototypes that feel like real products. Figma, on the other hand, is the industry standard for collaborative UI/UX design, enabling real-time teamwork on design systems, wireframes, and prototypes. Its intuitive interface and robust sharing features make it indispensable for large teams and complex projects, ensuring seamless handoff to developers. Choosing the right tool depends entirely on your project's specific requirements and your team's workflow. If your primary goal is to build and launch a website quickly without code, Webflow is your best bet. For advanced interactive prototypes that can transition into production code, Framer shines. And for collaborative UI/UX design, comprehensive design systems, and seamless team handoff, Figma remains the undisputed leader. Consider your priorities to make the most informed decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.